How's it going, everybody? So today on cruise control sensors. This is a sensor for a Jaguar. I think it's around the 60s. So had a customer that just found me online, and I'm going to attempt to fix this. So let's open it up. All right. Okay. Let's take the logic board out. That might be helpful. Okay. So pretty much he's been saying that he's been having problems with the speed, keeping a stable, steady pace once he sets it on the cruise control while he's driving on the freeway or highway or whatever. So I can already see that there's been some wear right there, if you see that. Yeah, you see that. Yeah, you see that? It's almost like a circular hole. There's a little tiny bit of meat left. That one's much nicer. That's how it should look. So that needs to be changed. Actually, both of these need to be changed out because they're both giving me some strange readings on the ohms. Okay, so we're gonna change those out, and yeah, gonna have some fun here. Okay. So first things first, we gotta desolder those joints. Yeah. Okay. Let's get the microscope camera. Okay. Okay. Let's turn the fume extractor on. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm first going to put some of that leaded Kester solder that we love so much on there. You know, because it actually has a lower volume of heat. You put it on a lower heat, then we can take it off with our solder wick. Okay, got that all wicked up. So yeah, it's just these little potentiometers that just need to be changed out. I already tested it in person with the customer. We kind of went for a little ride in his Jag. It was kind of fun. My dad used to own one a long time ago. Like a little bit more than 10 years ago, he got rid of it. Okay. Okay, it's off. Let's check it out, yeah? That's what that little sucker looks like. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Let's take the other one off because I already know we're going to take it off. So, as I said first, we're going to put some of the Kester solder on there. And then we'll be using our solder wick to to take off the rest. So it's right here, it's right underneath there. There it is, you can barely see it. Okay. Some of that Kester on there a little bit. Okay. Now let's take it off. Got a little bit too much solder wick with solder. Just take that off real quick. Okay. So earlier I didn't show that yeah, these potentiometers were bad. I already checked them in ohms mode, resistance mode, I guess. And they were reading really wacky. So I deduced that they were bad, especially from the trip. So we were changing them while driving, which was pretty cool. Yeah. So put these two little holes in it. I'll show you these holes later that I put in them. And I'm actually going to have to drill some new holes in it. Because the other potentiometers are faced up. So let's see. All right, let's clean those both up. Put some 99% alcohol with Q-tip. And yeah, this is definitely a repair that I wouldn't have even guessed of doing. But here at Trílex Fix, we love to fix things that other people can't, or other people say no to. That's not what we do here. No fix too small. Okay, the other one, the other potentiometer. So I was so lucky I didn't have to buy these online, the potentiometers. So over here where I live in Eugene, Oregon, if we have some viewers from other locations, we have little electronic stores, like a little Radio Shack. And luckily, they have some toys. All right, so I'm gonna check this. This one has a 102, so that's our 10 kilo ohm resistor, and that one, if I remember, was all the way on the. That's gonna be the right of the board, next to this big old doggy right here. Oh, yeah, it's gonna work. Okay. Let's get that in there. Okay, got that in there. Let's go back. And here's an old trick that I do every now and then. I'm gonna be holding this potentiometer with my little helping hands. Why not? Helping hands, baby. That's right. 'Cause we're helping those hands. Yeah. All right. Let's get this party started. Okay, so if you notice what I do, well, when it beeps, it's a Hatco iron. Let's wait. Come on. Okay. What I do is I'll put the heat here on the edge, and then I'll just feed the solder in like that. Same thing. Feed the solder in. Feed the solder in. Perfect. Jackpot. Okay. I'm going to clean it up when I'm done with both. I kind of just want to do it right away. Just real quick. I want to make this a little short video. Okay. Put that in there. Little wires in the way right there. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to go in. That little wire right there was in the way. Okay. Yeah, that's what happens. We get little problems every now and then. We can fix them along the way. That's how I do it. Alright. Let's get some flux on there. Alright. Can never have enough flux. Didn't even turn off my iron. Alright, same thing. Put it to the point where you want it. And feed it in. Point to where you want it. Feed it in. Feed it in. Perfect. Okay. Let's take those off. Kapow! Kaboom! Snap! Blip! Yeah, it's gonna be like the old, you know, the old 60s Batman, you know, that campy version. 60s Batman. Now we're gonna clean it up with some IPA, 99% of course. Get it all looking all sexy. Nice. A little bit right there. Okay. Let's get the other one. Nice. So this one's the 10 ohm potentiometer, and this one's the 50 ohm potentiometer. Okay. Just like that, but pretty nice and clean. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, baby. Now let's check it out. Okay. So, I'm going to check this out in resistance mode. Okay, got resistance mode. Here's my leads. That's the, that one's the 10 ohm. Okay. Okay. And remember, it's a dial, so we can, in a potentiometer, you can adjust the ohms, either higher or lower. So let's get that a little bit higher. Or lower. I guess I have to adjust it, you know. But as long as it's moving between higher and lower, as long as there's a variable setting, that means we know it's working. And another way to know it's working is, since the potentiometer is one that is fixed, you can go from, it stops right there, or it continues all the way here, and that's it. So I put it all the way to one slide. So that should be probably going down to 0. Yeah, 2 is good enough. Then we move it again, all the way to maximum. And I would guess that would be going to 10, but you know, we'll see what it goes to. One kilo ohm. Okay. Yeah, which is right. Okay, same thing here. So that's the maximum or minimum. This one's a 50 kilo ohm resistor. So 47.3, yeah, it's about 50. And then you move it down. I'm going to go lower. Yeah. It's like 0.5. It'll like go to 0 pretty much, yeah. Well, in my opinion, that's working. And I did make a mistake. This is actually a 1 kilo ohm resistor, not 10. So, it's perfect. Job's done. Or is it? So, he wanted me to do something interesting. He wanted to adjust it. As you see before, as I tried, I put these 2 holes in here. But now the potentiometers are facing up. Not sideways as they were before. Sideways. So I'm gonna drill some holes right here. So let's do it. This is fun. I want to go through my table. Okay. That one needs a little bit more. Alright, let's close this up. And we can show you why. Okay, so while he's driving, he wants to be able to tweak it, you know? I'll say tweak it. Wants to be able to adjust them, you know? So, check that out. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Oh, I should clean that. What we do here is we never give something to a customer dirty. So, I made a mess on here. I'm going to clean it up. As far as I know, this is working. Job's done. Yeah, baby. Job is done. All right. Just a matter of cleaning it up a bit, you know. Don't gotta go all crazy. Okay. And I would never advise to have holes anywhere where there's potential for water. Here in Oregon it rains a lot of humidity in the air. So what I'm going to do is just like I did on this side, where I put some black electrical tape. I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side right here. And where is my miniature screwdriver? So here's the reason why he wants the holes. So I can put my screwdriver in there while he's driving and adjust it either right or left with the potentiometers in there. Same thing with this one. Just want to try to see if I can. There you go, you can see him there. Go right or left. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned how to change the potentiometers. You have a great rest of your day. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other here at Trílex Fix.